Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Shop app order tracking issue. To get started, firstly you need to open the Shop app on your device and make sure you have signed into your account already. And next what you need to do is you need to check the orders tab and refresh the page by pulling down on the screen here. And simply go to your profile icon in the top left and from here select this order history. And under this order history, you can manually enter your tracking number. If you have any orders, you can also connect the email account you use for online shopping so that shop can automatically import eligible orders. And if the tracking information has not updated, remember that shipping carriers may take 24 to 48 hours to scan and update a newly shipped package. And during this time, it is normal for the tracking status to remain unchanged. And another helpful step is to update the Shop app through the App Store. And from the App Store, you need to open this Shop app and make sure you have updated the latest version of the Shop app already. If not, you can select this update over here under the open icon and you need to update it to the latest version. And that is it. That is how you can fix the order tracking issue in the Shop app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.